Jai Srimanarayana. Sixth sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Karsayantaha Sarirastham Bhutagramam Achetasaha Mam Chaivantaha Sarirastham Tan Vidhi Asura Nishchayan. Om. Do not torture your body and Paramatma who is there in your body by observing unauthorized fastings and dikshas. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall not disturb, torture my body and you by observing unauthorized fastings and dikshas. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Om Haraye Namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 338th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, all the Gopikas were listening to Sri Krishna Paramatma's Venuganam, and in that trance they are all talking to each other like this. ಓ ಸಖಿ, ಧನ್ಯಾಸ್ಮ ಮೂಢಗತಯೋಪಿ ಹರಿಣ್ಯ ಏತಾಯಾ ನಂದನಂದನಂ ಉಪಾತ್ತ ವಿಚಿತ್ರವೇಷಂ. Look at all those deers, all those animals. They are all surrounding Krishna Paramatma, listening to Venuganam and staring at Krishna Paramatma, and with their vision they are worshipping Krishna Paramatma. How blessed, how fortunate all those animals. O Sakhi, ಮ್ರಾಕುಲು ಪೂದೇನಿಯಲೊಲಿಕೆಡು ನಳಿನಾಕ್ಷುನಿ ಚೇತಿ ವಂಶನಾಳಮುಮ್ರೋತನ್. All the trees, while listening to Kamalaksha, Sri Krishna Paramatma's Venuganam, they are all blossoming into beautiful flowers and showering those flowers. In that way, trees also worshipping Sri Krishna Paramatma. How blessed all those entities. O Sakhi, but I am so unfortunate. You know why? I did not even get good amount of luck to be born as a small tree, the bamboo tree. If I was born like that, I would have been made as a flute, and I would have been used by Krishna Paramatma and Madhava Adhara Sudha Panambu Kalugangade, and I would have been enjoying the nectar coming out Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine mouth through his divine beautiful lotus-like very delicate lips. I would have enjoyed that place. O Sakhi, Krishnam nirikshya vanita utsava sheelam. For all of us, it's a great celebration. You know why? Looking at Krishna's divine form, enjoying Krishna's divine form, and enjoying Krishna's so many compassionate qualities. It's all an eternal joy for all of us, eternal happiness for all of us, eternal celebration for all of us. Not only for all of us, even Devatas, while they are traveling in the space in their own vimanas, the moment they listen to Krishna Paramatma's Venuganam, they are getting paused, and the woman's hair is slowly getting loose, and like that, in that way they are worshipping Krishna Paramatma. Like that, all the gopikas talking to each other, enjoying Krishna Paramatma's qualities, divine form. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 17th chapter 6th sloka. Karshayantas sharirastham bhutagramamachetasah manchaivantas sharirastham tan vidhi asuranischayan. Karshayantas sharirastham bhutagramamachetasah manchaivantas sharirastham tan vidhi asuranischayan. Srimannarayana करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।